Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Maharashtrian special Puran Poli. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 500 grams all-purpose flour, Maida. 400 grams Chana Dal. I have boiled it with 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon Haldi powder, turmeric powder. 14 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar if you want it more sweet. Half teaspoon nutmeg powder and half teaspoon green cardamom powder, elaichi powder. Ghee. And salt as per your taste and water is required to knead the dough. Now we'll knead the dough. Add the haldi powder, salt as per your taste, two tablespoons of ghee. Mix well. Add water as required. Our dough is ready. Now we'll cover it and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. While our dough is resting, let's prepare the filling. In the mixer grinder, we'll add the dal. We'll grind this into a fine paste. Our grounded mixture is ready. Here in a pan I have added the grounded dal and sugar. Mix it well. We will cook it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we'll add a cardamom powder, nutmeg powder. Mix it well and we'll cook it on a medium flame for another 5 minutes till the batter thickens up. Stir it continuously. Our Puran filling is ready. As you all can see, the batter has thickened up. Now let's cool it down and then we'll make the Puran Polis. Our mixture is cooled down and our dough has rested. Now let's make the Puran Poli. Take a small amount of dough. Roll it into a ball, flatten it, and now we'll take the mixture Make it into a ball and place it in the middle. Again we will roll it tight. Same way we will do with others as well. Take a dough. Dust some flour, take the stuffed ball, place it on the, and with the rolling pin we will roll it out. Now we will place it on the hot tower. We will turn it. Apply ghee. Again we will flip. We need to fry it till both the sides are nice and golden brown. Our Maharashtrian special Puran Poli is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.